Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Udemy affiliate account, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Udemy affiliate account, start by logging into your Udemy affiliate dashboard. Locate the notification or alert regarding account verification. Click on the verification link provided in the notification. You will be directed to the verification page. Enter your personal information as prompted. This may include your full name, email address, and payment information. Ensure that all the details you enter are accurate and up to date. Next, check your email for a verification message from Udemy. Open the email and click on the verification link included. This link will confirm your email address and trip your account into verification mode. If you do not see the email, check your spam or promotions folder. After clicking the link, you will be redirected back to your affiliate dashboard. Now, wait for a confirmation message indicating that your account is under review. This process may take a few days, so be patient. You will receive another email once your account has been successfully verified. Once verified, you can start promoting Udemy courses and earning commissions. If you encounter any issues during the verification process, reach out to Udemy support for assistance. Make sure to provide any necessary documentation they may require. After resolving any issues, repeat the verification process as needed. Stay proactive by regularly checking your account for updates. This will ensure that you maintain a smooth affiliate experience moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.